A pool payday bonus round that is not triggering is usually tied to the game state, connection, or an eligibility condition rather than the bonus animation itself. By the end, you'll know which settings to check first, what to do when the bonus appears available but does not activate, and when the problem is likely on Pool Payday's side. First, completely close Pool Payday and reopen it. Do not simply switch to another app and return. A full restart can reload the current game session and clear a temporary state that prevents a bonus round from starting. Next, check your internet connection. If the game is showing normal screens but the bonus round refuses to trigger, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if both are available. Then reopen the game and check the same bonus again. If the bonus is connected to a specific game mode, return to that mode instead of trying to activate the bonus from another screen. Some in-game rewards only become available when their required game state is active. Also check whether Pool Payday has an update available through the App Store or Google Play. An outdated version can cause features to behave differently after a server-side change. Install the available update, then restart the app before testing the bonus again. If the bonus round still does not trigger, check whether the game displays any message, countdown, requirement, or eligibility notice. Read the exact wording because it can tell you whether the bonus is unavailable or simply waiting for another action. There is another useful test. Start a different game or activity inside Pool Payday and see whether normal gameplay works. If other features also fail, the issue is probably broader than the bonus round itself. Avoid repeatedly tapping the bonus button while the game is frozen. Instead, close the app, reopen it, and check whether the bonus state has changed. If none of these steps work, the problem may require Pool Payday support to check your account or the current bonus configuration. When contacting support, include your device type, operating system, Pool Payday app version, and a screenshot or screen recording showing the bonus that will not trigger. So, the key fixes are simple. Restart Pool Payday completely. Test your connection. Update the app. Verify the bonus requirements. And check whether other game features are working. Your next step is to restart the app and test the bonus after switching your connection if necessary. If this fixed the problem, leave a like and subscribe for more Pool Payday troubleshooting guides.